So yesterday I made this part, but I kind of want to change the going to website type, like I want to go put it on a separate box. So when I click it, there's a bunch of other type that you could go to. Like if you want to go to YouTube, you're going to go there, right? And then if you're going to go to other websites, you just go to that part of the box, not in the main dashboard. Okay. So now we're back at it again at our thumbnail, our code, and then let's go. I kind of want to put this part right here. You see that tapa right there to another part. Oh, that's a dashboard name. I meant this button. So it could be separated from other things on my uh, dashboard, right? Main dashboard. All right, let's go. So it works. Look, 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 bro. So look, this part works. We got another system to put. So when we click here, oh, it doesn't work because the command is not doing the thing, but it works the way we intended it to. Okay, so we just need a button right here so that after I click the button, I could go to this, to this part. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay. Okay, look, look. Enter the shortcut web is doing good. Obviously, it doesn't do anything yet, but we're gonna go and make it work. So basically, when I click this, it should go here. Okay, the moment of truth. I did that. And then when we click this, alright, alright, alright. I did it. It works. So let's just make it cleaner. Let's say I kind of want to make a good font for this. Let's go. Okay, let's see if the color change and if it looks good. Boom, oh, whoa, it's kind of big, but it still works. But it looks kind of big. Like let's change it. And whoa, now it's way smaller than I expected it to be. Boom! Oh, boom, baby. I mean, can you still read that? Let's just make it 15 and 5 and boom. You can clearly read that, and then maybe we'll add logo right here soon. But I guess that's it for day 32. Final test though, I forgot. Oh, and boom, baby. We're now at Chrome and we can play. We can play. Oh, play this Dino game. Ooh. I'm still not connected to Wi-Fi because like it's using the Wi-Fi is using the TV right now, and I don't wanna open the Wi-Fi on my laptop because I don't know. I just don't want to. That's it for today, guys. I managed to make it work. And I guess let's just see new things on day 33. And then I'm pretty proud of this. I made it work. But that's it for day 33. And as always, subscribe y'all, and let's go for day 30 goal for the next month, probably day until day 50, and then make it applicable to Arduino. Make it applicable for Arduino. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.